Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some brain boosting activities for your kids. These activity sheets are meant for kids around 3 to 6 year olds. So let us move on to the first activity sheets. What I did is I drew 3 circles here of different colors. One red, blue and green. And I drew lines on it. First on the red one I draw a vertical line, on the second one I made a cross, and on the third I did a horizontal line. Now what kid has to do here is he has to look at the colors and then he has to make the line on it. For example, on the red one he has to make a vertical line. On the green he has to make a horizontal line, and on blue it should be a cross. This activity may look easy, but for kids it's going to be a bit difficult. They have to look at the color as well as the lines that represent on it. This is going to improve their concentration skill. Kids has to pay attention on it to get it correct. So this is one of the activity sheet. Let's move on to the next activity sheet. For the next activity, what I did is I draw 4 stars in 3 rows, and on the right side also I draw the same set of stars. On this side I put some stickers on some of the stars. Now what all kid has to do is he has to look at the position of the stickers on each of the stars and have to do the same on this side. So you have to give him sticker and he has to paste it. The first star here. The second one will be on here. This is a good activity sheet for visual perception. It will also help the kid to see, he has to look at the position of the star and has to stick it correctly. Instead of stickers, you can also color the stars and ask your kid to color the stars on this side. Please try to include these type of fun brain boosting activities. It will not only help them in their thinking skills, but also it will be a lot of fun for them to do it. It is different from their normal routine studies. So let us look at this activity sheet. This is a very simple one. What I did is I draw different shapes and I put dots in different position. Now what kid has to do is he has to look at the position of the dot and he has to look onto this side and has to match it. So on this side, this circle has the dot on the bottom side. Next is the shape of a triangle. This time the dot is in the middle, so the kid has to look at the position of the dot and he has to find the correct one. So this is the right one. And here the position of the dot is on the left side. Here it can be a little bit confusing because there's a dot on the right and the left side as well. So kid has to pay attention here, and this is the right one. This also help kids to understand left and right direction. Here the dot is on the left side again, so this is the right one. Let's move on to the next activity. It's also a very interesting one, bit colorful one than the previous. So what I did is I drew arrows of different colors. I drew a pink, a blue, an orange and green. So pink is for left, blue is for right, orange for up and green for down. Now kid has to look at the position of the arrow and has to color it accordingly. So for the left it is pink, for up it is orange, for right it is blue, and for down it is green. This will also it will take some time for kids to think and do it. It will definitely increase their attention span. This is a very interesting activity. What I did is I drew some squares on the left side and drew some squares on the right side. And I used these 3 colors, blue, orange and green. And I divide the square into half. One side I colored orange, the other side I colored blue. Now all kid has to find is he has to find the right color combination, and also he should notice the position of the color. For example, look at this one. Here it is orange on top and blue on bottom. But on this one it is blue on top and orange on bottom. He has to make sure the position of the color is same and the color combination is also same. So this will match with this one and this will match with this one, and this is green and orange, which green on top and orange on bottom will go here, and again this is the opposite of it, orange on top and green on bottom. This will go here. So this is a very nice activity that you can try with your kids. It helps them to think a lot. They cannot rush it. They have to sit, they have to think, they have to look it carefully to get it right. So make sure you do this one. The other activity is again a simple one. This is also with arrows. This is a simpler one. You just need to pick up the odd one out. To confuse the kid, I have made it all with the same color. So he has to pick up the odd one out, which is this one. And again on this one, he has to find which is the odd one out. This arrow will be the odd one. This will be the odd one out. Because all other arrows are going towards the left side, this is going to the right side. In this one, this will be the one. And this one, this arrow will be the odd one out. Here on this one, all arrows are going down, but this one is going up. So this will be the odd one out. Next worksheet is about complete the pattern. So I draw one circle with vertical line, the next will be the horizontal, then comes vertical. So what will come next? Next it should be a circle with horizontal lines. Okay. Next is odd numbers 1, 3, 5, and what should come next? 7. Next I draw a circle with 4 lines, then it is reducing to 3, then it's reducing to 2. So what will come here? It will be a circle with just a line. Okay, that is it. Let's take a look at this activity sheet. It's also a very interesting one. What I did is I draw 3 umbrellas here with different color combination on the left side, and on the right side also I drew some blocks with different color combination. What kid has to do is he has to look at the combination, color combination of the umbrella, and has to match it with the same color combination of blocks on the left side. So the first umbrella has blue, yellow, pink and green. So which one will match with it? Which set has the same color combination? So this one has blue, yellow, pink and green. So he has to match this one. The second combination is yellow, brown, pink and blue. So it will be this one. Yellow, brown, red and blue. So he just has to match it. It's the same with the third one. This is also a very interesting activity and it's very easy to make it at home. What I did here is I draw 4 squares with fish in each of them, and below I draw 4 squares with arrow marks facing in different direction. Now what kid has to look at is this one. In the first box the fish is facing up. The second one the fish is facing right. Third one the fish is facing left. On the fourth one the fish is facing down. So he has to look at the direction of the arrows and match it with the direction of the fish. So in the first one the fish is facing up, so it will be matching with this arrow. This one the fish is going right, so it will be matching with this arrow which moves towards right. This one the fish is moving towards left, so it will match with the left arrow. Here the fish is going down, so it will match with this arrow. A very interesting activity to teach direction to the kids. That's all for today's video. Please encourage your kids to do these kind of activities at home. I hope you liked my video and got some ideas to teach your kid at home. Please do share your feedback on the comment box below. Thanks for watching.